What is up, guys?
Whoa, I don't care about what they say. I'ma do me, want you niggas do the same. I won't change up, everything will be the same. Everybody hungry trying to steal from my tray. Whoa, I don't care about what they say.
Okay, this is like really random, but I was watching a bunch of college videos and I just got really excited and inspired, and I decided that it's time for me to finally start packing for school because I have not started, and you know, I'm moving in exactly 2 weeks into my dorm, and I just figured this would be a really fun thing to record myself doing, and I think I'm just gonna record myself. I'm gonna make a series on this channel. It's gonna be packing for dorms or something. I'll come up with a title for it later, but oh my god, I'm like really excited to make this video, mostly so that I can watch back in the future and just watch myself packing. So since I haven't started packing at all, I'm gonna start with something really small, and I decided to tackle a junk drawer, maybe two, because you know, I'm probably not going to be packing most of it. Honestly, a lot of this is putting things into boxes to put in the garage. It's not really packing things to take away. So, I don't know. It'll be fun. Earlier today, I actually did go to Walmart and buy some stuff for my dorm, just like essential things. I'm going to film a separate video that's just like a dorm room haul, but I'm going to wait until I have everything I need, or until I bought everything to film that video. I've actually had people ask me to film that video, so I figured that should be a separate video on its own. Right now, I'm just gonna start packing. Let me stop talking and get ready. So I got this box. It's just a small cardboard box. It's the smallest one that I have right now. It'll be better to just pack small items. So I'm gonna start with this drawer. It's a junk drawer of just garbage that I've accumulated over the years. Let me show you. So yeah, this is what the drawer looks like now. It's a lot of just random, yeah. I am filming this on my phone, so this is gonna be pretty wild. So yeah, I actually did organize this drawer like 3 years ago. And so there's some method to my madness in here, but it's mostly junk, so I just need to toss a lot of it. Well, not toss it, keep it for memories, because I'm a nostalgic person and by default that makes me a hoarder. So let's start. I need to plug my phone in because it is dying. Box. And let's go. I might put some of this in like time warp in case it's not interesting. You see, this is why this is hard, because a lot of these things are just like really tiny things, and like how am I gonna put this in a box? Like these bracelets, I don't wear these and I just don't know what to do with them. There's like a lot of really random things. I might take this with me to college actually. I'm gonna leave it out. Oh my god, these are all of my ID cards from high school. This is my one from senior year. I look disgusting. This is junior year, equally as disgusting. Sophomore year, I was so cute sophomore year. Look, I was all edgy. This is when I first started wearing chokers. Aw, my hair was so cute. That was my favorite hairstyle. And last but not least, freshman year. A dark time in my life that I would like to forget. So my friend has a 3D printer and she made this for me. It's from Skyrim. It's pretty cool. This is so nerdy. I've gotten past the like, you know, tiny trinkets, and now I'm moving on to the bulk of things, which is all these notebooks. Oh my god, I can't believe I found this. Okay, so this is a playing card that I got last year on my birthday when I turned my 17th birthday. Oh my god. Okay, so my friend Morgan and I, we went out for my birthday, and in the street we saw this magician and he was doing magic tricks and stuff with cards. He's doing card tricks, and one of them he had me sign the card and there's a freaking kiss mark on it. But anyways, moral of the story is me and my friend Morgan had the biggest crush on this magician guy. I'm a lesbian and I had a crush on this magician guy. He was so good looking and funny and oh god, oh my god. Like if I was straight, I would be down. But anyways, he gave this to me and he was like, happy birthday, keep the card, and I was like so yeah. Oh, and the magic trick that he did with this card is it came out of his mouth. It came out of his mouth. This is my sketchbook from 8th grade when I was the most depressed that I ever was in my entire life. I'm not even gonna look inside because I will probably start crying. This is going in the trash because I am an English major and I will never have to use math again in my life, so goodbye. I just found my 7th grade yearbook. I'm gonna look for the picture of the guy I liked when I thought I was straight.
Dude, I must have really hated men. Oh wait, I still do. Apparently I hated the entire football team, that's not surprising.
Okay, this is going in the storage box because memories. Oh, this is the makeshift yearbook I made in 8th grade because I didn't want to buy one because I hated 90% of the people at that school. Oh my god, I'm crying! Okay, so I have this friend, her name is Nathania, and we went to the same school in 8th grade, and then she moved away, and we're actually going to San Francisco State together, and we're still friends, and this is so funny because she signed my fake yearbook, and it says, "Hey Mimi, I hope we have classes together next year, and I think you are cool." And spoiler alert, we didn't have classes together, but we're going to college together. That is so cute. Nathania, if you're watching this, I love you, girl. I'm so excited to go to college with you. I just found a fucking boomerang. This is a 4-inch boomerang. This is the bracelet I wore to my senior prom. I'm gonna keep this for memories too because I'll probably never wear it again, but it's just nice to have. Okay guys, I've actually finished going through the drawer. I feel like I could probably go through a little bit more. Okay guys, I think I was really productive. This box is really heavy. I can't even lift it to show you, but there is a lot of stuff in here, trust me. My forehead is shiny.